Hey guys, you're here with me, TK Lee from Sephora Saddle Creek back in Memphis, Tennessee. Today, I'm going to create this mermaid eye look for you. So let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already prepped, primed, and set my complexion, as well as filled in my brows. So now I'll be using the Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the Formula Original. When using the Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer, I like to swipe the doe foot across both eyelids and then blend with my ring finger from the lash line to the top of my brow bone. The next product I'm going to use is the Sephora Collection's Colorful Shadow and Liner in the shade number 36, Staying Alive. When using the shadow stick, I like to carve out my lid and fill it in. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to have a little bit more definition. And now we're just going to complete the same step on the other eye. Carving it out, filling it in. Now I'm going to grab my Sephora Collection brush in the number 38. It's the Pro Featherweight Crease Brush. So now I'm going to blend out the harsh lines to make easy transition for my next shade. And again, on the other side, blend out those harsh lines to make easy transition. So next, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. So the first color I'm going to use is the shade Sienna with the Sephora Collection brush number 27. So basically, I'm using this shade to warm up that crease, again, to create more definition to my eyes. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Warm up that crease a little bit to create definition. Now I'm using the Urban Decay's MOONDUST eyeshadow in the shade Zodiac. Just going to take my ring finger and saturate that product, tapping it on the center of my lid, bringing the product up into the crease. So also I'm going to use the Sephora Collection brush number 27 to blend out this shade and spread a little sparkle. I'm going to do the same thing, pat it all with my finger first to add a little bit more pigment to the lid, and then picking up with that Sephora Collection brush number 27 again to dust out the shade and spread a little sparkle. So now I'm going to go in with the Colorful Shadow and Liner to create that pop of color on the lower lash line as well. So I really love this pencil because it's a little bit wider. I can tight line and get a little bit more definition on the lower lash line. So I'm going to dip back into my Soft Glam palette with the shade Glistening to the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And to do this, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection brush number 18. Next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay's Subversion Lash Primer to prime my lower lash line. So I do this step because I feel like my lashes are a little short and I really want to create a longer baby doll lash. So next, I'll be using the TARTEIST Pro Cruelty-Free Lashes in the style Center of Attention. So to apply these lashes, I'm going to use my favorite lash glue, which is the Sephora Collection's House of Lashes Eyelash Adhesive. I find it easiest to apply my lashes by holding the mirror a little lower, and it's easier for me to lay the inner corner first, then drag out and press the lashes. Same thing on the other side. We're going to wiggle that lash band a little bit, give it a little exercise, and again, look down in the mirror. Lay down that inner corner first. I'm going to press the lashes together. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. So I basically use this pencil just to tie the look together. So I tight line to fill in the space in between the lashes to create a more volumized look. Next up, I'm using Dior's DIORSHOW Pump and Volume Mascara. Going to give this little guy 1 or 2 pumps. The more pumps you do, the more you will coat the mascara one to give more volume. I did a few more pumps this time just to really coat the applicator to give a fuller impact. Now I'm going to finish up this look by coating the bottom lash line. Last but not least, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Outrageous Effect Volume Lip Gloss in the number 2, the XXL Nude. I love this lip gloss so much because it's high shine and it makes my lips look fuller and plumper. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do. Feel free to comment below and subscribe. See you next time.